Alright, so what you're looking at is a catalytic converter for a 2008 Toyota Yaris. And as you can hear, there's a leak between the catalytic converter and the manifold, and that's what we're going to fix today. If this interests you, stay tuned. And also, if this video helpful, please consider subscribing, like and share all that good stuff, so we can grow this channel and hopefully we can help more people. So let's just keep going. So here we are. We're going to smoke test it so that we will find where the leak is. So as you can see here now, is also leaking on the weld from the oxygen sensor. So that's needs to also fix. And the majority leak is in here on this joint, on this flange. As you can see, there's a huge leak. The reason being is because of the rust. The flanges are gone on the other side, so it's no longer holding it. So to begin, obviously we're going to remove the oxygen sensor first. Unfortunately, the connector on this sensor 2 is inside the vehicle, so we're going to remove the grommet here so that we can access the rest of the cable. And here we are inside the car. You gotta remove the center console. So we're removing now the shifter knob, and there's one screws on the back, the very back on the cup holder. It's 10mm. So all you have to do is just remove that, and you should be able to lift it up, the whole thing. You don't really have to remove the whole thing, just lift it up enough for you to unplug the sensor. So that's just enough. And the sensor is all the way here under the climate control. There's a tab there that you just have to pry it, and the sensor is just here somewhere, right there. You see that connector there? That's the oxygen sensor connector. So here it is. I unplugged it. So here's the other side, the side of the vehicle plug right here. And now you should be able to remove it completely. So from the bottom, you still have to use the screwdriver to push the carpet out, because it's really hard to remove the cable. The carpet was on the way. So all you have to do is just poke it with the screwdriver, and then you should be able to pull the cable out. You can see right there. It's right here. Now we're going to remove the bolt, but the first I want to show you how bad the connection is. You see, there's only one bolt that is holding. So now we're gonna have our socket. It's 14 millimeter. You're gonna need a long extension also, and this is the back of the muffler connection. Just also you have to undo it, remove it, because we're basically removing the whole pipe from the muffler all the way to the catalytic converter. And if you have this kind of tool, this is very helpful when it comes to removing the bushing or the hanger. And here we are. So we're gonna remove slowly the exhaust with the catalytic converter in it, and here is the problem. You can see here. Here's the other part of the flange, as you can see here. And now my solution was, I have this stainless steel flange and I cut it in half, and I'm just gonna weld the other half into the manifold. So right now I'm welding the nut to the flange. There it is. The weld is not that beautiful, but it does the job. Just gonna weld this to the, and then since we're here, I'm also cleaning the oxygen sensor using the ultrasonic bath. But first I was wire brush the sensor and then put it into the ultrasonic bath. And here's the flange that I welded together, as you can see. It looks ridiculous, but it just worked fine. Just works fine. That's the job, so it's good enough for me. Then you're gonna put don't forget the gasket or the what do you call it, the insert. And here's the sensor. After cleaning it, I just put some anti-seize on the thread, and also I weld the surrounding of the oxygen sensor thread, because that's where also the leak, right? And the sensor, the installation is just a reverse. Just put it in there, and here it is. So everything is back, and everything is hooked up. No more leak. So thank you for watching.